Okay. Hello. We're both here. Um, Today is March the 12th. Yeah. I've been working on a project for. I'm doing like green fractal art and green AI generative art because it's coming up. I'm just like, I'm going to do St. Patrick's Day themed stuff this year. But like, I'm trying to avoid like anything that's like too, because I worked at Renaissance Festival, so I'm trying to avoid anything that's like too, like, we're not trying to Lucky Charms it, you know. So like, if anyone in the comments is of Irish heritage, feel free to just like say like, you're kind of Lucky Charms in us right now. Like, I'm not trying to do that. I'm trying to do like a respectable thing for the St. Patrick's Day thing. And like, I'm Universalist Unitarian, so I'm trying to include like triquetra type stuff. Loki also just love charm. We're not gonna judge Jordan for that. Jordan, knowledge comes to us through different means. Okay, like, hey, African American, stay focused. Okay, so um, so everybody has an excellent day. It's March 12th. I'll probably make another one. I'm doing a lot of like green like stuff. Oh, you know what? In fact, for Magic Geology Institute of Cornerstone, I'll just explain this, and then the thing I'm doing partially makes more sense. Okay, so one of the characters in the story, this is a central character, is a computer that naturally occurred from the metals and stuff of the planet, just kind of coming together over time inside of the layers thing that I can't remember the name of right now, but from the bedrock up, that those layers, like, essentially it's a computer forming out of those, and then just it having its own, like, technically that's not an artificial intelligence, you see what I mean, but that's like a machine consciousness. It's still a machine consciousness, but it's not an artificial intelligence in that case. And her whole thing is like, she conceives of all of the spirits of nature as essentially like her programming being expressed as a thing, but it doesn't mean that they have to have like circuitry or any of that stuff. They're just like, it could be look like a regular animal, you know, but then she would still be able, like, she'd still be connected to it through being made of the periodic materials and whatnot. So it's like also going to be like nature inspired in that way. So there we go. I'll talk to y'all about that later. Oh, there's one I posted yesterday that's kind of like that same idea of circuitry and vine work and like the consciousness of that sort of being. So nature time. April's coming up. We're gonna have Earth Day soon. So whoa. Talk to y'all later.